Ships Budgets module of the CXL range of products. Designed specifically for shipping companies, Ships Budgets is a powerful budgeting tool for managing your vessels. You can compile accurate fleet budgets, stay on top of costs, and evaluate ship performance all in just a few clicks. Let's look at how you can do this in more detail. Each ship has a detailed OPEX report. At a glance, you can see a breakdown of costs by category. Clicking on any cost item brings up the detailed report. There are over 20 customized detailed data sheets available in an instant. Let's look at how easy it is to compile all the information that goes into your OPEX reports. I'm working on the budget of the Aigli Okeanis. To build up the crew complement, I'll begin with the officers. I select my ranks: Master, Chief Officer, Chief Engineer, and so on. For each rank, I'll select nationality and pay currency. Enter pay and any bonus schemes. Build wage structures as per contracts and company policy. Ships Budgets handles important details such as multi-currency contracts, overlap days, mix of nationalities, and various bonus schemes. I will do the same for my ratings. I am now going to adjust my crew contracts to minimize overlap days. If I change the length of contracts, the travel days, days on board, etc., I can see the impact and effect on overlap days straight away. Data entries are made by simply selecting from available drop-down lists the expense title, inserting the number of units, the cost per unit, the consumption in port or at sea, and all calculations are done automatically for you. Filing of individual ships' budgets is made automatically. File names and locations are predetermined irrespective of who uses the program. Budgeting technical jobs is easy. CXL's Ships Budgets comes with a meticulously organized jobs library compiled with reference to the EU study of marine equipment. Using this library saves you hours of typing and ensures everyone is using the same terminology and applies consistency, control, and good corporate governance. If you have administrator rights, you can also personalize the library with your own jobs and headings. To build up my detailed technical jobs, I'm going to select the category and subcategory of jobs and enter my jobs in detail with units and costs. My detailed jobs get completed into a summary report automatically, which gives an overview of technical costs. If I don't want to go into the details, but just want a quick technical jobs budgets, I can also enter the costs directly onto the summary, or I can use both methods, part detail, part experienced assumptions. Each line item on your OPEX report is available as a detailed report. Payroll, which forms a major part of ships' budgets, is treated in more detail, and there are various reports that are compiled automatically, such as payroll report by rank, overlap days, and others. You can view and print off breakdowns of insurance, consumable stores, lubricants and chemicals, and much more, all in a few clicks. In fact, there are many detailed reports specifically designed for you. Simply navigate through the standalone menu-driven program with a mere click of a button. Ships Budgets is software designed by shipping experts for shipping experts. It gives you the power to compile professional budgets with no accounting or IT knowledge. It runs on Microsoft Excel, so staff won't have to learn new software. They'll need no extra training at all. And if you run into problems, help is at hand. Our clearly written help manual is just one click away. And our online support forums are there to answer your questions.